you ready for the field trip to Biomed?
Looks like a really interesting place. What do they make here?
Whoa!
No, are you okay?
Ow, my knee hurts. It's bleeding. There's gonna be a big scar.
Wait, this company makes a product that heals scars. Maybe we have something we can use.
Wow, that's a great idea.
Hey, we'll go on the tour of the factory and meet you guys when you're all cleaned up. Bye.
So what we do at our company is we make materials that help with that scarring process, and that's based on some silicones. This is one of our products that we make. It's a adhesive silicone sheet that'll stick to areas that might have a scar. Helps make that scar softer and wants to go away.
That sounds perfect.
Oliva is a silky fabric that won't stick or snag under clothing or compressive garments.
Now, how do I know it's safe?
You know it is safe to use because it is a recommended product by many surgeons. This product is used to heal scars and is used as a temporary skin for burn victims.
What about makeup? Can I wear makeup even when I have it on my face?
Yes, you are able to wear makeup over the Oliva Clear.
Where did it come from? Like, who was the founder?
Mark Dillon is the founder of Oliva.
How was it invented?
This idea was invented when he combined Teflon and silicone.
Wow, that's so cool.
And he made it by using a frying pan in the kitchen.
Where is it sold?
It's sold all over the world. Look at this map. Can you believe it started in a frying pan in a kitchen and now it's all over the world? That's what's so cool about manufacturing.
What is in the future of Biomed?
Let's take a look at this video to find out.
Being able to deliver possibly antibiotics directly to the skin could be an easier way than having to get a shot, apply other medications.
Hey, you guys are back. Look how fast this healed. You can't even see it anymore.
Oh my gosh, no way, it's like it disappeared. Wow, this place is awesome.